Hey, you know something? I just want to show you just a few feet of our beauty. Look at the yellows. Lots of yellow flowers. You should smell. You should have the chance to smell what I'm smelling right now. So beautiful. So I'm just walking down here, just entering our woods, one of our woods, our trails, on our trails. So beautiful. Hear the birds. Yeah, I had this for sale for a while. Minimum of $10 million. Luckily, no one came through, because right after I did that, I knew I made a mistake, and 10 million is way too little. Look at the trails. So many different settings and looks and whatnot. This is nothing here. A trail there. Trail here. Look at the trees. Cherry trees, apple trees, maple trees, poplar trees, thorn trees, ironwood trees. More trails, more trails. And every which way you go is different. Every which way you go is different. I think I'm going to end this now because I'm going to go do some exploring before my girls catch me. They're out here too. They don't know I'm here. We're going to have some fun. Well, from Dan, Karen, and the girls, and magical Machias, goodbye.